Fox Business Alert, the Dow posting its worst week since June, closing more than 300 points lower on Friday as regulators shut down Silicon Valley Bank, the worst bank failure since the Great Recession. So how worried should everyday Americans be? Let's ask Fox Business senior correspondent Charlie Gasparino. Charlie, thanks for being here. That is kind of the top line question. Okay, this bank failed, definitely not good. It's affecting the people that use that institution, but does it echo elsewhere?
Breaking news, Silicon Valley Bank gave company-wide bonuses hours before it collapsed. One of the banks out there that collapsed. What is really going on? How does that affect you on a fixed income like Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and why is Biden pleased? All that detailed information is right here in this video. Stay tuned because you do not want to miss. Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another show. Yes, Silicon Valley Bank gave company-wide bonuses hours before it collapsed. Federal regulators took control of Silicon Valley Bank on Friday. There's a lot of news and breaking news going on about this bank. Biden jumped in. He's pleased with what the federals they're doing about it. I mean, there's a lot of things surrounding all this information, but how does it affect us in general? How does it affect us on a daily basis, Americans, those on a fixed income? Well, right here, the Silicon Valley Bank traditionally processes annual bonuses on the second Friday of March. Unnamed sources associated with the bank told CNBC. The bonuses were reportedly for work completed in 2022. So this bank is kind of went collapse, and it hit companies such as Camp, Compass, Coffee. This happened to be an industry thing that literally banks were falling by 60+%. They went in and they said the Fed should immediately buy all the securities the debt bank owns as near par, which should be enough to cover most deposits. Cuban wrote as part of a lengthy Twitter chain last week, any losses paid for in equity and new debt from the new bank or whoever buys it, the Fed knew that this was a risk and that they should own it. This is a huge thing that is going on right now. The 16th largest bank in the U.S., okay? The 16th largest bank, Silicon Valley Bank, failed Friday when depositors rushed in to withdraw cash. This is a very, very scary thing. Right here on the screen, Biden pleads with Fed's response on Silicon Valley Bank collapse, soon to address deposits and closures. SVB, the 16th largest bank in the U.S., failed when the depositors rushed in to withdraw the cash. So Biden was pleased with what they'd done, with how the Treasury Department and other agencies responded to the wake of the Silicon Valley Bank collapse, the second biggest bank failure in U.S. history. This is why this is so important. The second biggest bank failure in the history of the United States. Biden said he would more thoroughly address the collapse of SVB and the shutdown of the New York-based Signature Bank, including the worries of workers and depositors on Monday morning. At my direction, Yellen and my National Economic Council director worked with banking regulators to address problems at Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, noted on Twitter Sunday night. I am pleased to reach a solution that protects workers, small businesses, taxpayers, and our financial system. The president also vowed accountability for those responsible without specifying any particular actions his administration would take. I'm firmly committed to holding these responsible for this mess accountable, to continuing our efforts to strengthen oversight, regulation of larger banks so that we are not in this position again. The American people and the American business can have confidence that their bank deposits will be there when they need them. Again, the 16th largest bank in the world collapsed. This happened, yes, like last night. Everything went to crap last night. Everybody was posting about it. Everybody was talking about it. But how does it affect us on a fixed income? Well, a lot of times with banks that you're signed up with, banks that you collaborate with, if things shut down, if people are withdrawing money from banks, then that's not a good sign for the U.S. economy. That's not a good sign for those on a regular income, fixed income. What is going on in this country? Hopefully Biden will let us know exactly what's going on. We'll keep you guys updated. But I can't believe that the 16th largest bank in the United States collapsed. We'll keep you updated. If you want a free gift card, then yes, you can win any one of these 5. Let us know which one you would like, that you subscribe for your chance to win. We'll keep you updated on Social Security stimulus check news, like the $1,400 checks that are going out in only certain states, okay? Not everybody's doing it, but we will bring you that news, so make sure to keep watching for that. I love you. I appreciate you. And until next time, I'm John Miro.